Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Malwarebytes on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your browser. And on your browser, on Google, just search for File Hippo. Just search for this and go to the first link from here. So from the search bar, just search for Malwarebytes. Then just go to the first one, just scroll down a bit. These are all ads, and this is the one which we want. Malwarebytes, anti-malware. Just click on open. Click on close here. Then just wait. Click on download free version. Close this. Then just give it some time. It will download for you. And there you go. The download has been started. Just wait. And then just click on open when it is done. Click on yes. You can minimize your browser now. You can either click on advanced options if you want to change everything, or you can just click on install. Then select personal or business. Mine is personal, so I'm just going to select personal. Click on next. Then skip the ad blocker. Then just skip the browser guard if you don't want it. I'm going to skip it. Then just wait. It will install Malwarebytes for you. And there you go. Malwarebytes has been installed. Just click on open Malwarebytes from here. And there you go. Malwarebytes has been installed. You can skip from here. You can click on maybe buy later. And click on continue with trial. Then just wait. It will verify your information and your trial has been activated for 14 days. Click on got it. So after all this, if you want to find malware, just click on scan. Then just wait. It will scan your whole system and find malware from it. And there you go. The scan has been completed and it has found some malwares on my system. Click on view scan results. And there you go. These are all the malwares that I have on my system. Just click on quarantine. And there you go. The malware has been taken care of. Click on done. And basically that is how to find malware on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.